Welcome back to our channel. This is Yasin, and allow me introduce to you this project that we've been working on recently, and we just delivered just like our clients wanted it, the church members and the committee as they discussed. We were working together hand in hand. Of course, you have to adjust here, you have to do there, just like they want it. And here is the video. It's a video walkthrough of the final project. Just like you can see, here is the exterior view. As you can see, the exterior view, the compound, some of the trees, planters that you're having here. Then you can see those black lines that you have been seeing on the pavers. That is a drainage channels. Yes, as you can see, we have ramps. We gave it ramps because they wanted ramps for the people with disability, but still we have the other section. We still have steps. This church is being constructed. The construction process has already started. So in case you need plans, houses, churches, residential houses, commercial buildings. You want, of course, we also do interior designing. We do 2D drafting. We also do 3D rendering. You just dream, you just mention it, and just tell us your dream. We give it life. So as you can see, this is a compound according to the plot, according to the land that they have. You can see the pastors' houses, the pastoral houses, the sides, the offices, as you can see at the back. So this is the exterior view. We'll also go through the interior view, as we are going to see. It's very nice, very nice. It took us some good time. Of course, something that is good has to take time. For anything that you want, just give it time. So we are going to get into the interior and just enjoy the video, see through, see whatever is inside. This is a very good church. Of course, I'll always take some time, spare some Sundays, and I go and pray from here. Though it's very far from where I live, but something that you have done, and if all goes well and the finances are there, and it is constructed in time, it's going to be one of the best churches here in Uganda. This is the interior. So astonishing and outstanding. Yes, people can be envisioned, because this church is you see, this is upstairs now. This is upstairs. You can see the pews. It is going to be containing a good number of people. As you can see, the upstairs. The interior is so fine, just like you saw the exterior. At the other end, we have the baptism point. We have the pulpit here. Enjoy the interior. In case you need any service, any plans, we are here at your service.
you.